Ever wondered what it's like to drive across a whole continent? From the historic streets of Montreal, Canada, to the stunning coastal beauty of Monterey, California. I took my Volvo XC70 T6 on an epic 4,000-mile road trip through some of the most breathtaking landscapes that North America has to offer. My destination? Monterey Car Week, one of the most prestigious automotive events to ever happen. After an unforgettable week at Monterey Car Week, it was time to head back home to Montreal. With memories of iconic cars and stunning coastal views fresh in my mind, I hit the road once more. The journey back promised new adventure through the vast, rugged landscapes of America. But sometimes the road has its own plans. Somewhere deep in the heart of Nevada, far from the nearest town, something went wrong, forcing me to stop and leaving me stranded in the middle of nowhere.
What a week, Tank Garage fam. Today is officially the day we go back to Montreal. Leaving the Airbnb, which has served us well for the week. And yeah, it was a pretty fun week. A lot of stuff happened, crazy stuff, good stuff, bad stuff. Met some amazing people, and I can't be more grateful than to have attended Monterey Car Week this year. And I cannot wait to bring another one of my cars next year. One of the best events I've went to by far. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching these videos, these vlogs. I don't even know how many there will be, but man, thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank you guys for sticking with Tank Garage. This is just the beginning. Still a lot of big stuff planned for the future. Oh, Tank Garage fam! What an absolutely amazing trip that ends on the side of the road with the XC70. We're in the middle of Highway 85 and my front left tire blew. Why it blew? Did I hit something? Was there something on the road? I have absolutely no idea. This is not a joke. This is not clickbait. We're in the middle of the highway. I don't know where. There's cars flying by us. And my tire completely blew. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's completely blown. The inside of the tire is all ripped apart. And yeah, I've got Evgeny and Lara with me, thank God, or else this would have been a really bad situation. What could be used? Bad alignment, it could be a lot of things, guys, but it's all on me in the end. It's stuff like that happens, but you wanted your clickbait, you got your clickbait, guys. The California trip, first day coming back, takes an abrupt end. It's currently 9 o'clock at night. We're in the middle of Nevada. And yeah, I'm stuck on the side of the road. So stories are posted, TikTok and Instagram. Hopefully someone can come out with a trailer and trailer me out. Worst case scenario, I'll have to call a tow truck company or AAA. But I'm trying to see if I can get a solution, because even if AAA brings me down the road, I don't have a shop. There's nothing to figure out with the car. So yeah, hopefully it didn't cause more damage to the car. Who knows, the tire blew pretty hard. So I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning, Tank Garage fam. Yeah, we're in Nevada. Like you guys saw last night, we had a little situation. I was able to investigate more, and it is an alignment issue. So the toe in was a little bit too intense, and it used up the whole inside of the tire. They've got the XC70 jacked up, removed the wheel. Now that we're gonna test fit, because the only tires that they have in the whole city, well, probably the whole state, are 245s or 235s 40. So the ones I had on there were 215s 30, which, yeah, that's a big jump. We're gonna see. Hopefully it matches, hopefully it doesn't rub anywhere, because it is a very aggressive fitment that I'm running on the XC70, and left it that way because I knew it was gonna be safe, but I guess we'll find out. Let's go see the beast and the damage. Hopefully it didn't do more damage on the inside of the wheel well. That's what I'm really hoping. I don't think it did. Brake looks good. Let's see if I can raise this up a bit. Nope, you guys can't see anything. All right, there we go. Sorry for the flashbang. Looks like everything here is good. Control arm's still there, good. My end link delete is still good. Jesus Christ. Yeah, everything looks good. Doesn't look like it blew up anything. It did make a little bit of a break in here, but if that's the only thing that broke, I'll be considering myself very, very lucky. So on the jack stand, I wanted to say a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Big O Tires. They were able to sort me out like literally last minute. We were here at 7 in the morning, and now so we're gonna test fit. We're gonna put it back on. Cross our fingers that it doesn't rub or anything like that, because this is my last resort, or else we're stuck here and we'll have to like trailer the car back or some way. So cross your fingers for us, Tank Garage fam. Alrighty, Tank Garage fam, a couple hours later, we're done. I wanted to say a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Tyrell over at Big O Tire. Saved our life, literally saved the week and saved the trip, because without them, there was no other tires anywhere. Yeah, the XC70 isn't as straight as it could be because yeah, rust and stuff was seized, so they did try to get it as close as possible, but I'll probably have to anyways redo the tires once I get home and the alignment and all that stuff. So we got to get going on the road today. We got about a 10 to 12 hour drive. We're gonna try to make it as far as possible because our last day is looking like it's gonna be around 20 to 24 hours of driving. So yeah, it's gonna be a tough one. I'll see you guys maybe at the next stop, maybe not, maybe in another video. I guess time will tell. What a journey. What a trip. The XC70 made it back home. We're back in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It's now Friday. Yesterday, I actually made it back at around 12:30, 1 a.m. I'm tired. I slept all day. I woke up at like 2 today. Went to do some groceries, and now we're back into car stuff. We have to go wash the XC70 and the S80 because we have a Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning, and I might, if I'm not too tired, go to the Swedish meet in IKEA in Montreal. So it's gonna be tons of Saabs, tons of Volvos, just to go there and show the XC70. That'll be the actual first Swedish event the XC70 attends. So now we're gonna go wash the cars. I'll bring you guys with me, and then we'll close out this amazing journey that Monterey Car Week has been.
Copas, una juca tequila. Sal y perrear. No tienes vergüenza, mami. Baby, quiero ser el río de tu Tokio. Chingamos en la casa de papel sin negocio. Esta vida.
XC70 is all nice and clean. I'm exhausted, and I still gotta do the 8th, and I gotta eat. Sun's going down. I'm still here. So, yeah, it changes a little bit, eh? From the absolutely annihilated front end with bugs to the mirrors to the actual wheels. Everything's all nice and clean. Don't mind the color match, that's not color matching. Another story for another day.